It has been the busiest shopping day of the year, and the crowds who hit the high street in Luton were given a surprise by a group of young Muslims spreading a festive message. Claire McGlasson reports.
A message of peace and goodwill to all men. The giving of gifts today to celebrate the birth of a baby who changed the world.
The month is to celebrate the birth of Prophet Muhammad.
That's right,
Okay?
yeah.
Muhammad is
In Luton today, 30 young Muslims played their part in an international initiative, giving roses to spread a message of love.
A lot of the people, they're really happy that they're being approached by a Muslim, and Islam is coming across as a positive light. And it is quite reassuring that a lot of the people out there, they do know Islam is a religion of peace.
Not everyone was sure what to make of it. When police were called to reports of a gathering in St George's Square, they too were presented with roses.
Put it in the back of the car, take the card off, get in, give one to the missus. Celebrate that love. We're spreading.
Roses being expensive as they are, being handed out for free, there was an initial concern as to what was going on, and it is quite simple that they are spreading a message of peace.
With no strings and no thorns attached.
Each rose has actually had the branches removed, the thorns removed.
Have a nice day.
The spirit of Islam is what the youngsters are showing today. The Prophet ﷺ was all about mercy, about kindness, about generosity, about respect, about compassion, about neighbours, about community.
It's a great picture. It's peace, it's love.
I think it's very nice. It's always...
Yeah, it's very nice surprise. I never expect that. Yeah.
They came today to say it with flowers, and with a bouquet of 1,000 red roses, it was a message delivered loud and clear. Claire McGlasson, ITV News, Luton.